You have my heart, we'll never be worlds apart, maybe in magazine.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So, do you remember the year 2007? I do, because that's when my town car was built. So, who remembers what happened in the year 2007? What movies came out? Who were our politicians? What happened in the world? What was the good? What was the bad? Well, let's do this. Let's dive into it and let's find out. What happened in 2007? And while I tell you, I'll show you some nicer pictures of the town car, other than me just standing here with my camera in my hand filming the vehicle. So in 2007, let's start with the basics. George W. Bush was president in 2007. So then in January 9, Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone. That's been a long time ago. I remember the first iPhone because I had one, and it looks really small right now. I still have it. I'm not using it, I still have it though. So a little more negative. In February 12, a gunman kills 5 people in Trolley Square in Salt Lake City. So that's close to home here in Utah. And I do remember that as well, even I didn't live here. On May 16th, Nicolas Sarkozy was the French president. And maybe you remember him. He was kind of like a short guy. They tried to make him look taller. And I forgot a more sad thing again. And on April 16th, the Virginia Tech shooting happened, where a gunman shot 32 people. That's pretty bad. So on May 19th, Pirates of the Caribbean premiered, and back then it was the most expensive film that was ever made. It was about 300 million that it cost. That is crazy, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows the movie. Let's see, what else with the movie? June 12th, we had Transformers, and that was the first Transformers movie that premiered back then. So you guys like cars, you probably remember that as well. And if you like Formula One like I do, in October 12th, Kimi Räikkönen, he became Formula One champion. So, and that is interesting, because I think that was not the only time Kimi was champion. I think it is. And yeah, that was on Ferrari that he became Formula One champion. That is just a couple notes from 2007. So that's how long it is. And a lot of younger folks don't even remember all that. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, I should have done this with my Mercedes when I still had it, about the year 99. But the Mercedes gone, and I wonder who has it right now. So wouldn't that be nice to find out? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about the year 2007, the year my Lincoln town car was born. So please subscribe, and please push the thumbs up and leave a comment. Yeah, that's always good. Leave a comment. I can see that there's a lot of viewers that are not subscribed to the channel. So if you are one of them, now's the moment. Hit the subscribe button. All right, guys. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope I'll see you soon again. Have a good one.
The hang is hard to get away in your heart.